What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2014 Ford F-150, 6.2 liter. It's got the Raptor motor in it. I guess it's specially ordered because I've never seen one with it. Correction, it is a 5.0. He saw this sticker when it's actually this one right here. So it is a 5.0, guys, right there. All right, 5.0, still sounds good, Coyote. But anyways, what we got done on it, just something simple. He didn't want too much. Got factory converter there, blah, 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 for the EPA. Enjoy, guys. And then it wires it to a single, kept the resonator on it. Then we put a FLOWMASTer Super 10, part number 842515, as you guys can see right there. There'll be a link in the description. Then we ran 3-inch pipe out the back into his factory tip. Because it's already stainless steel, he didn't need to replace it. He just wanted the sound, so that's what we got for him. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And there's the old muffler that was on it. We took it off. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wow. That sounds good. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 95, so it's not too loud, but it sounds really nice. If you want it louder, you can take the resonator off. It'll make it another 30% louder, guys. Just to let you know. That sounds good. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote motor with FLOWMASTer Super 10. Resonator still on it. And factory tailpipe and cats and all that good stuff.